Hey everyone, quick, take your eyes off that last scene and look back at me. The Rison5, designed specifically for 5-inch FPV racing drone competitions. Depending on your preferences, you can use a low-latency analog video transmission system or the DJI O4, which is designed for filming. The flight controller uses the high-performance STM32H743 MCU and comes preloaded with Betaflight firmware by default, while also supporting Enave and Ardupilot firmware, with a 32-bit 70 amps 4-in-1 ESC to achieve ultimate racing performance. The T700 grade high-strength carbon fiber fuselage and lightweight, X-shaped wings enhance rigidity and vibration resistance, ensuring stability even during high-speed turns. Equipped with high-strength aviation-grade aluminum alloy poles to better protect the camera and the flying tower. The shark fin shown above must be assembled from the included parts. It can provide a significant boost to racing performance. Supports 6S and 8S voltage configurations. The 6S for ultimate handling, the 8S for ultimate speed. Both have their own advantages, so you can fully enjoy the thrill of aerial racing. The DJI O4 camera delivers stable video transmission and crisp image quality, allowing you to monitor your flight status in real time and fully enjoy the flights. The O4 VTX can be used with DJI Goggles 3 glasses to enable low latency mode for high-definition video transmission during racing flights. Equipped with a top-level competition configuration, high-torque racing motor, and precisely tuned PID parameters, the drone offers fast response times, making it easy to control and fly. Achieved instant flight upon arrival. Included accessories are a set of Gemfan 51466 V2U propellers, one 2280mm cable tie for securing drone components, a replacement silicone anti-slip mat for battery, a USB cable, an H2.0 wrench, a propeller wrench, and replacement screws. Simple accessory tools enable you to quickly swap out drone parts. The included manual provides more detailed instructions for use.